How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. So we're finally back on the 3rd gen again. Those shocks treating you well.
Yep.
If you guys missed that video, I'll plug it up in the top corner, but go check that out after this video. But this is just a nice little update. We're going over the deer damage that got repaired, right?
Are we?
Yeah, that's what this is about. I don't even see any, do you?
Nope.
Because you got a whole new bedside, that's why. You want to give a little rundown on what they actually did to it?
I don't want to say cut the bed in half, and them not actually cut the bed in half.
Well, they replaced this entire bedside, right?
Yeah.
Because I don't know if you guys remember, we did do a video on it when the damage actually happened, and we reviewed it all. So maybe I'll throw in some pictures right here, or some video clips from the previous video we did. Did you hit a deer, or did a deer hit you?
A deer hit me. It ran in the side of it.
Well, there you go, boys. So.
Yeah, it was a deer. Because you can make a whole fur hat out of all that deer fur in the back.
I don't think that deer had insurance, did he?
I mean, I got full covers.
Lucky. Do you got anything else to say about it? You just don't want to look at that den anymore. I remember the night that happened, he came home really mad, so I'll just leave it at that. The deer damage. And if you guys saw one of our previous videos we uploaded not that long ago, you'll know what we're talking about. You want to give them a brief story of it again?
Suicidal deer ran sideways across the turn and hit the back end of the truck.
So I just noticed that not only did that, but it cracked your paint up here on the actual fender. Screw that deer, right?
Yep.
So now that you guys can see what that looked like, there was that big dent right here, and then there was just a bunch of cracking that went up through the fender, right?
Yep.
And there was more structural damage than it first appeared to be, so that's why they just went ahead and replaced the whole bedside. And in the process of doing that, they actually replaced another part, right?
Yeah.
Do you remember what that is? What that was?
Some inner that they had to weld to. I don't know.
Like an inner structure piece?
Yeah. It was $100. So.
Well, they had it off, and he just went ahead and did it, so it didn't become a problem later on down the road, right? So now that you got this whole fancy, nice bedside all cleaned up and fixed up, you excited to take it to shows and stuff again? You're not embarrassed to take it out anymore?
Yep.
Did anybody comment when you did take it out with that damage on there?
No, it's so low, not a lot of people paid attention. Although I only went to one with it.
And nobody said anything?
Because it was the end of show season. So.
Well, now you don't even have to worry about it.
You like him?
You think you got enough of them?
That's only the start.
What's there, like 20 there? 30?
Got some more in there.
Only the start. How many you plan on?
One a day.
One a day.
One a day.
Jeez.
Always smells fresh.
All right, fire it up. Hold on, let me get back. Well, now that the truck's looking all nice and cleaned up, no more deer damage, I think we're just gonna do some nice cinematic shots with it, put together a nice little edit right here, and then we'll just sign off at the end. How's that sound? Yeah?
Yep.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that nice little edit we put together. You think it looked cool?
Yeah.
Well, hopefully it came out cool because I'm filming this before I even edit it. Well, the truck's all nice and cleaned up. Looks a lot better, no more damage. I think it came out pretty good. They got the paint match excellent, right? You satisfied with it? They do a good job?
Yep.
Cool deal. Well, guys, it was just a nice little short video. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're not already, all that fun stuff, and we'll just catch you in the next one. We got some pretty exciting things on the way. You want to give a little sneak peek of anything or a little hint of what?
Sneak peek? No. Keyword is trans.
Yeah.
That's it.
If you guys know what he means, if you watched previous videos, you understand. But I think on that note, we're just going to sign off, and we'll catch you in the next one. Always accelerate and don't look back. See you next time.